I'm always looking for new and exciting breakfasts, just like this one. This is my chia porridge. Yes, no oats in sight. Chia is the wonder ingredient that makes this really delicious. So in a bowl, I'm going to add some milk. I like full cream milk, but you could use any other milk. Nut milks are great with this too. And some yogurt. Pop that into the bowl. So 3/4 of a cup of milk and then a yogurt. And then we'll just give that a mix. In fact, I might use a whisk for this, just much easier to incorporate. For some sweetness, I've got some honey. You could also use maple syrup and add as much or as little as you like, depending on how sweet you want it. Okay, next, our chia, and I'm just going to rain that in. And at this stage, it looks really runny and it's not thickening up, but you just need to be patient and chill it in the fridge. I also like to add a hint of cinnamon, just a small pinch, mix that in, and then this gets covered and goes into the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. And this is what it looks like. See how it thickens up? Fantastic. And I love that there's so much yogurt at this stage because it brings a lovely tartness. So let's give this a mix, and you'll see it just thickens slightly on the bottom, so you need to give it a bit of a mix. And that is the base of our porridge. So we'll grab a bowl. We'll place a generous amount of this, and chia is one of those things that is going to keep you full for a very long time. So you only need a small amount. And then this is where you can build on flavours. This pudding is exceptional with berries. So some gorgeous raspberries. Look how plump and fresh they are. I'm going to scatter them over the top. I just love the colour contrast. Some strawberries, fresh strawberries. I'm just going to cut the tops off and cut them into quarters. And for the best tasting strawberries, my tip is to bring them out of the fridge at least an hour before serving them. By doing that, we're going to get an intense aroma. Scatter them over the top. Look at that, so pretty. I have some passion fruit, so cut that in half and we'll just drizzle that over because passion fruit and berries go so nicely together. And because the chia porridge is so smooth, it's always a nice idea to introduce some texture. So I've got some muesli, toasted muesli, that goes on top. And that is my chia porridge. It's all about preparation, so get that porridge made the day before, and it's as simple as serving it up the next morning with some lovely fresh berries.